What's up guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's full body low impact Tabata workout. Now, just because we're doing low impact today does not mean low intensity. Tabata is full intensity guys. We're doing 20 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of rest, working as hard as you possibly can while maintaining proper form during that 20 seconds. Best part is you don't need any equipment for this one, so you can do it from anywhere. All you need to do is follow along. I've got my timer set, and guys, we're getting started right now.
Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
Something magical, pretending that nobody knows, trying to hide but it shows. Lost my sense of logical, think that I'm gonna explode, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come me. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. Now I feel left to figure out your music and all of my noise, coloring all of my songs, makes me wanna scream out loud. You're already under my clothes, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never
guys. It was only 9 minutes, but I know how intense a Tabata workout can be. I know it felt like a lot longer, but you did it. I hope you feel amazing. Comment below, let me know how it went for you. And if you loved it, guys, share it with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up. I will be back shortly with a brand new full-length workout right here. So if you haven't already, guys, don't forget to hit subscribe. I will see you at the next workout.